Thank you for watching this week's episode's video notes on the HMI as a digital coach. For more information, please visit our website at focusintegration.com.
Okay, let's dive right in. For decades, training on the factory floor has been, let's face it, a huge challenge. But what if the machine itself could become the teacher? We're talking about a really fundamental shift here, where the screen an operator uses every single day also becomes their personal coach, training them automatically right there on the line.
This quote? It just says it all, doesn't it? It's a massive, long-standing headache for pretty much everyone in manufacturing. It's that one problem that has always felt impossible to solve in a consistent way that can actually scale. Well, until now.
So to really get why this new solution is such a game changer, we have to first break down why the old model is so, well, broken. Turns out it's pretty much built on three fragile systems that were almost designed to fail from the start.
Let's take a look at these. First up, you've got shadowing. And let's be honest, the quality of that training is a total lottery, right? It all depends on who you get to follow. Then there's tribal knowledge, all those crucial tricks and shortcuts that only exist in the heads of a few key people. And finally, paper SOPs. They look great in a binder on a shelf, but they're usually the first thing that gets tossed aside when things get busy.
This slide really gets to the heart of the problem. The real issue is just human variability. Traditional training is basically a gamble. You're betting on the trainer's mood that day, on their memory, on whether the trainee is even paying attention. You just can't build a consistent, high-quality operation on a foundation that changes by the hour.
And this is the critical failure point. All that experience, all that super valuable tribal knowledge we were just talking about, when your best operator retires or moves on, poof. That knowledge doesn't get stored in some system, it walks right out the door with them. The old model just has no way to hold on to its most valuable asset, expertise.
And this slide right here, this is where the light bulb goes on. Look at the difference. Traditional training happens before the job, maybe in a classroom where it's easy to forget. But digital coaching? That happens during the job, at the exact moment you need it. Knowledge stops being this external thing you have to go look for, and it becomes embedded, baked right into the workflow. The whole system goes from fragile to robust. It's night and day.
All right, so that's the problem. Now let's get to the exciting part, the solution. We're moving from a world where the HMI, the human-machine interface, is just a passive screen with buttons, to one where it's an active, intelligent coach.
So let's be super clear. A digital coach isn't just a fancy help menu. It's a full-on development system. It's designed to train people automatically, all the time and at the perfect moment. And that last line, that's everything. The HMI's job is no longer just about controlling the machine. It's about actively developing the skill of the person who's running it.
Oh man, we've all heard this one, right? This phrase is basically the sound of inconsistency. It's the sound of one shift doing things differently than the next. The digital coach completely eliminates this by becoming the single, undeniable source of truth for how every single task gets done, period.
Okay, so you might be thinking, this sounds great, but how does it actually work in the real world? Let's pull back the curtain and look at the mechanics of what makes this so effective.
It's all built on a super simple, proven idea. We learn way faster with visuals. Instead of reading a dense paragraph of text, the operator gets exactly what they need at a glance. Maybe it's a short little video of the task, a photo of the actual part they need to find, or a simple before and after picture. It's all about instant understanding.
And the result of that visual-first approach is, well, it's staggering. We're talking about a 60 to 90% reduction in training time. This isn't some small, incremental improvement. It's a total game changer for getting new people up to speed. Just think what that means for a business. It's huge.
Now let's picture a really common, stressful moment on the floor. An alarm goes off. It's loud. Production grinds to a halt. In the old model, this is a moment of panic. But with a digital coach, it actually becomes a learning opportunity.
Instead of some cryptic error code flashing on the screen, the coach walks the operator through the entire fix. First, it tells you what's wrong. Then, it shows you where the issue is. It even gives you a picture of the part. Then it guides you step by step. And finally, and this is the key part, it suggests how to keep it from happening again. It turns frustration into actual education.
And the system is smart, too. It's not a one-size-fits-all thing. A brand new operator, they're going to get more guidance, more visuals, more guardrails. But an experienced veteran isn't slowed down by all that. They see shortcuts, advanced options, and deeper troubleshooting tools. The system literally customizes itself to your skill level.
So we've seen how it works. Now let's zoom out and look at the impact on the whole operation.
We've talked about the how, but what's the so what? Well, it really boils down to three huge things: consistency, measurement, and data.
For the first time ever, skill becomes something you can actually measure. The system is collecting data in the background on every little thing: how long a task took, which mistakes were made and corrected. And this isn't about being Big Brother, it's about development. It helps supervisors become better coaches and gives operators a clear path to grow in their careers. And at the end of the day, this is what you get. This is the holy grail for every operations manager out there. By making the HMI the single source of truth, you wipe out one of the biggest problems in manufacturing: shift-to-shift inconsistency. Suddenly, quality and performance are standardized by default.
So as we wrap this up, it's really clear we're not just talking about a new piece of tech. The digital coach is a completely new model for work. It's a model that's designed to solve the most stubborn, long-standing challenges in manufacturing.
I mean, think about these classic complaints. We've been hearing them for decades, right? We can't find skilled people. Training just doesn't stick. We lose all our knowledge when our veterans leave. For so long, these have just been treated as unavoidable facts of life. But they're not. They're problems with the old system. And the digital coach, it directly solves every single one of them. You don't find skilled people, you create them. Training sticks because it's happening all the time. Knowledge gets embedded in the system, not in a person, and consistency becomes automatic.
Because the future really belongs to systems that are built to empower people. Systems that teach, guide, and correct. Systems that take the mental strain off the operator, build their confidence, and protect the quality of the work that's being done.
So I'll leave you with this final thought to chew on. We always think of our tools as things we use to get a job done. But what if those very same tools were also designed to teach us? How would that change not just the work you do every day, but your fundamental potential to learn, to master new skills, and to grow? It really.
Thank you for watching this week's episode's video notes on the HMI as a digital coach. For more information, please visit our website at focusintegration.com.